Am I the only one that didn't know Benidorm is this exciting? Or I will show you how to get the best Benidorm experience of your life. I'm Benidorm Scooter Sue, your local guide with a twist. I've got pink hair, a red three-wheeled scooter, and a big love for this vibrant city. Join me as we zip through the bustling streets, soak up the sun, and experience Benidorm from a fresh street-level view. From the lively tapas alley to the stunning Levante beach, we'll uncover hidden gems and local favourites. Plus, I'll show you the accessible side of Benidorm, making sure everyone can enjoy this amazing place. Whether it's festivals, food, or just a friendly chat with the locals, you'll see it all right here. So buckle up and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to never miss an adventure with Benidorm Scooter Sue. Let's explore Benidorm together, one scooter ride at a time. Catch you on the next ride.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So we're on Tomas Ortuño. Sorry about the breaks. Very busy down here today. It's a gorgeous day again. Benidorm's been having some lovely weather. Warm and hot. That's how we like it. God. Sorry guys. Pet shop. All the little birds in. Love them little orange ones. Beautiful. Hope they're coming out on the camera. So I'm going to try and keep my hand on the brake and then hopefully it won't squeal too much. Nice shops down here. Nice little phone shop. If you want a good phone shop, guys, go and have a look in there. Gives you good trading price. So I think we're going to go off. Go down one of the alleyways. A bit quieter. Music place there. Soon they teach music. I think we'll go off down this one. Nice and peaceful down here. Sorry guys, these brakes are doing my head in. This is a lovely little shop. Man, I think we're going to have to get some grease for them. Give them a So we still got flags up from the Pride weekend. Looking very colourful. Lots of nice little bistros along here. It's doing my head in this. Lovely colourful flags. Oh God, it's doing my head in now. So thanks for watching the video, guys. Please hit the like, hit the share, hit subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.